Making spaghetti, Ladyville style creation. Trying their product for the first time. Hence, it's gonna be a Ladyville style meatball spaghetti. There you go. That's the ground pork, seasoned with Empowered by Rootswork, DD's blend, fresh minced onions, and 1 egg. Flavor it out with that. I learned a little trick in Texas in the kitchen when I used to be a prep and sous chef, that you could take one of the spaghetti, and if you want to know if it's done, beside tasting it, you can throw it to the wall, and if it sticks, it's golden. It's Ladyville meatballs, because I got the herbs from here. Sauteing the meatballs in some cinnamon powder and gram masala. Sauteing the onions. Topped it off with some DD's blend on top. Medium low heat. There we go. It's almost finished. Pre-sauce. Fresh off the stove in Ladyville, Belize, Central America.